Okay, let's try this again. Hi friend, I'm so glad you're here. If you're new to my channel, I'm Vera and I'm a mom to 4 kids, one with special needs, he has Down syndrome, and 2 others with a rare disease. So painting has been my outlet for many years, and so I'm excited to continue sharing it with you guys on YouTube. And today we are going to paint this. Lovely neutral colored daisies. So yeah, I'm glad you guys are here. I'm glad that you are following along, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Okay, so to get started, I've got my reference up here, and I am painting on an 11 by 14 cold press paper. It is by Fabriano, and it is the paper that I love to use the most right now. And we are also going to use a size 8 brush by Princeton, Velvet Touch, and also maybe my size 4, I'm not sure. Cup of water. I've got my paper towel here in case I need it, and so yeah. Okay, so to begin with, we are going to start with getting this pale white color, this cream color. So to get that color for the daisies, we're going to mix together some burnt umber, quite a bit of water, and let's add some yellow ochre, a little bit of black. Okay, I think that looks about the color I want, but so the key to getting this super pale color is to use lots and lots and lots of water. Whoop, my water's dripping off my brush. So yeah, lots of water. And I think I always like to start with the flowers and then add in my greens after I dripped on this painting, but that's okay. So I'm painting on a bigger. This is an 8 by 10 and this is an 11 by 14. Actually it's not 11 by 14, it's 9 by 12. So let's begin with the flowers. Let's see here. I haven't recorded in a while, so this might be a little new, or it feels new. I start at the outside and go to the center. Don't overthink it. I almost think I used a different brush to paint my sample one. It's just not flowing. But we're gonna make it work. Lots of water. Quick brush strokes. And this is going to be just reiterating that yours will not look like mine. This doesn't even look like my original. So just remember that. Alright, so then while this is still wet, I'm going to get a mix of burnt umber and lamp black. Mix that together a bit. And I'm going to go to the center and I'm going to just dot around and see, isn't that so cool? I hope you can see that, and just kind of make the center of the flower, and that will dry beautifully. All right, rinsing my brush and moving on to that next flower. Actually guys, well no, I'm not going to switch brushes. I was contemplating, but I'm not going to. Pushing through it. This is actually my favorite brush, but I cannot find what kind it is. And I feel bad using it and not giving you guys a recommendation. It is like, actually I should just repaint this again using this brush and show you the difference, because it is by far the best brush. Lots of water on my brush, and we're gonna do this one up here. lots of different strokes. Yeah, let's see here. All right. I am going to add in the dark center. That one kind of got away from me. Let's see here. I'm putting some water on my brush, going back in and kind of cleaning it up. All right, now we're gonna do this one up top. Ooh, I should have taken that up a little bit more, but it's all right. Okay, adding in the center. Okay, my 3 daisies are done, and now we're gonna add in these little flowers here. Just kind of like mini little, you know what, maybe feverfew. I don't know if you're familiar with that flower, but it's just this pretty little white flowers that are just in a bunch. They're so pretty. Alright, mixing some more of that mixture. Okay. Let's see here. These I'm almost tapping my brush down and just one tap. Like press down a bit and pull up. Alright, let's move over to this side. The reason I'm not liking this brush is because of its tip. I think that if it wouldn't have the tip, I would like my outcome a bit better. And going back to that same brown mixture, burnt umber, lamp black mixture. And we're gonna just put a little bit in the center. Some of these still are quite wet. All right, we are going to move on to the leaves. So for my greenery, I do my typical green, which is sap green. Lots of paint mixed with some burnt umber and lamp black. All right, let's see, a little more black, a little more green. Okay. This green, I've put in too much burnt umber, so, okay, there we go, I like that better. All right, my brush is full of paint and water, and I'm gonna start with some stems first, using the tip of my brush, trying to hold not too close to the front so that I am a little bit looser. Making some leaves here. Alright, stem to this one and adding some leaves in there as well. You know, sometimes when you have the brush that you didn't really want to use, or it's a different brush, it does push you a bit outside of your comfort zone to just try to figure out how to make it work. loose strokes are the best. Some more branches to these little flowers as well. And let's put in some big leaves down here. Don't be afraid of water. Lots of water will create movement within your paints. I don't fear water, but I do know that some people, to keep it tighter, you do want to use less water. But I really like the dried look. After everything's done, when it's dry, so pretty. Okay, I think this is it. I think I'm trying to see. This definitely looks different. If your side, oops, that was not my intention. I mean, side by side, it does look different. Lots of things, but overall, it's got the same look, and I am happy with it. I really like it. To finish this, I'm going to actually, let's see here. I'm going to get a ruler and show you a little trick. Okay, so to add some interest to your paintings, you can, let's see, move this out of the way. You can give it a hand torn look, and I've got quite a bit of paint there, so definitely taking a risk here. But let's start on this side. What you're going to do is you're going to put your ruler down. Now, I would encourage you to wait till it's dry. And you're going to pull up against the ruler. Let's see if I can get a start. The thicker your paper, the harder it will be. But let's see. Oh yeah, that's pretty. I really am trying to avoid that puddle smudging on my ruler. The closer you have your ruler to the edge, the harder it will be for you to tear it off. So keep that in mind, especially if you've painted close to the edge. It might be hard to get started and to keep pulling. So, well, there we go. see? But it's okay. That's gonna happen on the other side too. I'll just fix it. Okay, on this side yet. Let's see here. We're gonna just do it and fix it. Oh look, it didn't even get messed up. But there you go. I think the hand-torn edges just adds more special look to it and just makes it feel like a one-of-a-kind. So I hope you guys enjoyed following along, and yeah, thank you for being here. Okay, that's it. I hope that it wasn't too complicated or that wasn't too overwhelming for you guys, and I hope you guys subscribe and like this video and comment below if there's something new that you guys want to see me paint, or if you really like this video, or yeah, I'd love to hear from you. I reply to all my comments, so I'll see you guys in the comment section below.